What's up, everybody? Today, I'm gonna be walking down my road to see, watch, to see where my brother is first of all, and then, so I'm walking. My mom told me to tell him, because my mom told him not to mess with anybody. Like they're working, right? So I just saw him. It's kind of embarrassing. I don't like this. Okay, hold on, guys. Not the white car. The black one? No. See that car back it up? It's like right. That's right there.